Like with every new Apple Watch, the Series 4 came with a few new watch faces. The default face for the new watch is called Infograph. And in this video, we're going to look at how to manage and get the most out of this watch face and the many available complications. What's immediately striking about the Infograph watch face is the amount of information crammed on the screen. The face supports up to 8 complications, which is ridiculous. One of the most frustrating things about the new watch face, however, is developers have to update their complications to work in some of the new places you can stick one. Mainly, the 4 corners here are only supported by apps that have been updated, so you'll probably notice less complications available for these areas. So there's a few ways to edit the Apple Watch faces. You probably know to force press on the screen and hit Customize, but I find it so much easier to edit faces from the Watch app on the iPhone. Just tap on any of the faces in the My Faces section in the app, and here you can edit any of the complications and colors available. Now, this watch face has already been a bit controversial because some people are put off by all the bright colors and the general aesthetic of the face. By default, complications in the corners like the weather and UV index include this multicolor slider. However, you can select a number of other complications to give your watch a more industrial look. And of course, you can always use a number of Apple's less colorful watch faces if you want. In the center of the face, there are 4 more spots for complications. The calendar complication is placed in the top spot by default, and I really recommend keeping it there because it displays your upcoming event across the top here. So it really acts like 2 complications in one. If you place any other complication here, your upcoming event won't show up. The other 3 spots are pretty flexible. There are a few complications like moon phases, the Earth, and the solar system, which are extremely cool to look at, but I don't know how many people would find these useful. What is a useful new complication that's available for these areas is adding your favorites. It's a quick way to call your significant other or somebody you call constantly. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Later.